Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, uSivoxia decides to take ulwazi kwenye indawo nje where bangazuphazamiswa uma wakhe, and he tells ulwazi, yazi ulwazi nikulethe lana so that you don't have influence kama wakho, so uma wakho doesn't interrupt us. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi kule ndawo kunomthembu ini, and he asked him, ulwazi, ungitshela iqiniso la. Did you umithisile na ugabsile? Hayibo guys, ulwazi says cha. Ubaba wakhe aphinde-ke is like ngizokubuza okugcina nci. Ngivula lesifuba lwazi ngingubaba wakho. Ulwazi says cha baba, I did not impregnate her. Ubaba wakhe agcine esithi-ke, okay fine. Ngiyakuthemba, we are going to leave this matter. We will never ngeke siyithinte, ngeke silobote futhi type of vibes. My question is guys, ningitshela ukuthi ulwazi usaba uma wakhe onganaso isiphiwo over ubaba wakhe who is supposedly umprofeti omkhulu kaMthembu. Something is not balancing. At this point sesizibuza ukuthi hayibo abosifoxia babona izinto makutheni guys. When, at what point should they see things? Because at this point, we expected ukuthi he would have seen ukuthi ulwazi is lying. Shame, but he tried, guys. Ulwazi, guys, ungidina. And the thing that annoys, I think the thing that annoys most of us so much is that this is a sad reality, guys, of mothers doing this to their sons because they simply don't like the girl or the girl's family or the girl's watwati. And that time uSivoxia mebebuya benolwazi mebebuya endlini, they announce kuma wakhe umakalwazi ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi ulwazi sekazogana-ke because ulwazi has confirmed ukuthi he did not impregnate uGabsile. Yo Lwazi, guys, someone was saying ukuthi at that point when ulwazi lied to his father and said no, he did not impregnate uGabsile, why did not thunder strike him in the name of uZamxolo? Because I'm just like, hey, at this point, I'm like, ulwazi, I just need for once, because I know Mam Zobe, she did not get justice. Can we just get justice for uGabsile, guys? Please, siyanicela bandla. Writers, producers, siyanicela bandla. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.